We're going to walk through installing your internet and Midco Wi-Fi network using a Hitron Coda-4582 modem, but instructions are very similar for different modem make and models. You'll need these three things handy: modem, power cord, coax cable. To connect your modem, find the best modem location in a central spot, off the floor and near an active cable outlet. Some cable outlets in your home may not be active. Connect the coax cable from the wall outlet to the connection on your modem and make sure connections are finger tight. Plug your modem into a power outlet. Wait for the downstream, upstream, and online lights to stop flashing and remain solid. It may take up to 30 minutes in case your modem needs to run an update. Once that's done, download the Midco Wi-Fi app on your phone or tablet. Open the app and log in using your Midco My Account credentials. Review and accept terms of service and privacy policy. Tap the gear icon next to Adapt. Your default Wi-Fi network name is displayed. To change your Wi-Fi network name, tap the pencil icon, fill in the info, and save. Your default Wi-Fi password can be viewed by tapping on Show. To change your Wi-Fi password, tap the three dots, then tap Edit. Fill in the info and save. To connect devices, grab a device of choice. From the Wi-Fi settings menu, select your Wi-Fi network name to connect to it, then enter your Wi-Fi password. Last, if you are setting up pods, which act as Wi-Fi extenders, plug pods into power outlets 15 to 20 feet away from your modem. Open the Midco Wi-Fi app and tap on menu icon in bottom right corner. In the pod section, tap Add. Bluetooth will need to be enabled on your device, and the app will prompt you to enable it if needed. Pods will connect, and once all display, tap All Done. That's it. You now have Midco Wi-Fi set up in your home. For tips on getting the most out of your internet, visit midco.com/internet support.